Hello.
Welcome to Life with Littles, where the children are children. Simply put, that's just how it's meant to be. All right. So we're here at Rock Point Provincial Park. I got Hannah on my back in my Lily baby carrier. We're trying to find our trail. The trail that we're supposed to be walking on. Trying to find where it starts. So Rock Point Provincial Park is a provincial park along Lake Erie. We're still trying to find the trail, but I think we can walk along the beach for a while. Think you can manage this?
Making the sand's like kind of hard.
Yeah.
So we can actually walk in it without just like
As I fall. That's a good skipping rock. Yeah, it's a good skipping rock.
There's not much of a skipper.
Nice.
Grab the grass and pull.
Okay, that's not how you build endurance. You gotta take it slow. Yeah, Daddy has the drinks. You need a sitting and a drink?
Oh, no, sitting in that rock.
The rainbow rock?
Yeah. There's a beautiful rainbow rock.
Put on it. Huh?
Somebody paid that rock.
Yeah, you can have some too. You thirsty?
Huh?
You want to go down?
Dad?
Yeah?
Give me your back.
Okay, hold on.
We're not cold. Nice trees and flowers.
That's a big rock.
And we're gonna get strong legs. Yeah, it is.
Stick.
It's like wood.
Hannah's decided she wants to come out and do some hiking. Which means we're gonna be walking at a quarter of the pace we were just walking at. But that's okay. Because it's not always about the destination, but instead it's about the journey. Right? It's about the adventure we're on, not necessarily the adventure that awaits at the end. We're trying to build up the girls' endurance for when we're finally on the road. We want to be able to do some 5 mile hikes. Come on. Hannah is obviously a new walker within the last 8 months. So she actually basically learned to walk in snow boots. Where did Daddy and Hazel go? Did they leave? Did they leave? Oh, you want up? Are you scared? Where did they go? Let's see. I don't see them anywhere. Daddy! Hazel!
You were bears!
You were being bears?
I didn't like bears.
So nobody knows yet, but this is actually a 2.7 kilometer hike. which is longer than we've ever done before. The longest hike we've done as a family. Well, it was more like a walk. Half of it's like, it's mostly flat terrain, and we had the stroller with us though, and a lot of it was uphill, and I pushed the stroller. I was exhausted. So, keep going. The longest hike we've ever done is actually 1.6 kilometers. So this is like an entire kilometer longer. It's a out and back trail, not a loop. So, you found a fence. So we'll see if we make it to the end and how many complainers we have. On the way back, I might be one of the complainers, so we'll see. It sounds so nice.
Why are we so fortunate to live near so much water?
Ready to come up now? Nope. What'd you find? A stick? You ready to come back up yet? No? Okay, you keep walking. Looks like Daddy and Hazel have found a rest spot. Hannah's excited about it.
Wow, you joined us. Found a nice bench.
She like ran when she saw that you guys were sitting.
Let's go.
I'm a leader.
Oh.
Leader.
Okay, Hannah, we gotta go this way. Or Daddy and Hazel gonna leave. Uh-oh, they're leaving. Come on. Come on. Do you wanna hold my hand? This way. This way. Sure you don't wanna hold my hand? You're all messy, girl. Okay. Uh-oh. Where did they go? Do you want me to pick you up? Just a little bit. Alright. Daddy and Hazel left us. Where could they be, Hannah? We gotta find them. Where could they be? I don't know. Where could they be? I don't know. How far did they go without us? Hazel, you gotta work on your comedic timing, my love. Hannah's back in. Hannah's back in the... Oh,
You missed our crazy thing.
back in here. And the trail's getting more traily. It's getting less beachy and more traily. Am I the leader now? I guess I'm not the leader anymore. Where are you? I can't go up there. I got Hannah on my back. Guess we're doing it.
Huh?
Said I guess we're doing it.
I don't know if we're gonna go down.
Now we're just gonna look at the top.
Yeah, we're just coming up to the top here. This is awesome. We're the kings of the forest.
It does look like a
Kings
slide.
and queens. It is. If it was muddy, you could probably slide right down that whole thing. Let me go first. Can I help you?
This way I know if I fall, I don't fall into anybody. All right.
Got it?
Okay. What a big girl.
I'm leader.
You're the leader? That's called following. If you're leading, then we're following. What? What's wrong?
Feeling really brave right now?
No, no down yet. No down yet. You want to go down?
Oh, geez.
Okay, let me get over this big mud pit first. Can you do that for me?
Nice white shoes.
That's okay.
You don't have hiking boots yet?
Hannah wants down.
Hi.
You want to go down or are you okay up there?
Want me to stay with you? I'll come out. I'll come out.
Dad, can I want that to fall?
As long as you can still see us when you turn around, you can go ahead.
So don't turn corners.
Yeah, and also like look at the ground so you don't run and trip and fall on something. Big jumps. There you go.
Look behind you. Can you still see
Yeah,
us?
as long as you can still see us coming from behind you, then we're good.
What's over there that you see? What's got you feeling?
See what's like right now.
Someone's got to get Hannah over there.
Here, Hannah, come here. I gotta pick you up for this one. It's a big mucky spot. Oh.
What do you pick me up for this? Can I do it, Daddy?
Take both my hands. We're gonna fly. Here, go, jump. There you go.
Super dad.
I'm having the best day ever.
That's good. I'm also having the best day ever. What? What's wrong? Bug!
Okay, come on. You see little ants?
Was it on your hand? No. Okay, we can't take it with us. Come on, princess. What'd you find? A rock. Whoa. So you have a pine cone and a rock. I should have brought the paper bags for foraging bags. Didn't even think about it. Unprepared. Keep going. Found a bridge. And a fire pit and some benches. That's cool.
Too close to the edge. Come on back.
There's no food on there.
That's why not too close to the edge.
Oh, water.
That's right. That's why there's a bridge here so the water can pass by. Hannah's obsessed with rocks. That's not up to me. I'm on your sister's timeline. She's collecting rocks everywhere we go.
Mom,
Yes,
there
baby.
might be bugs on there and caterpillars.
Oh, there's definitely bugs down there for sure.
And caterpillars.
Is that one for me? Thanks. Okay, let's keep walking. I'm trying. Hey, come on. Oh, we gotta go with Daddy and Hazel. Okay, come on. No more rocks for now. Let's go. No more rocks for now. Come on. Thanks, Dad. Oh, what's the point of that then? Hazel, you got holes in those shoes.
You gotta avoid the puddles.
No. Getting mucky. Getting mucky. Wait, don't just run through the mud pit. Wait, Hannah.
Oh, I'm gonna leave this too. Hold on, I'm coming back. Oh, come on.
You're gonna come out the other side with just socks on.
Come on, let's go.
Oh, I'm soaked now.
Puddle.
Actually feels kind of nice.
That's good.
That's interesting.
What's that?
That's where we're going, I think.
And this is a maze way.
I don't know what goes that way. Or that way.
That's a fin. That's it.
That's right.
Keep going. Step over them. Don't worry about the bugs. Just don't even look down.
Wow.
Where you're going, that's it.
Want to hold my hand? These are some big steps.
We made it. Yeah, so
We didn't quite make it. Yeah, those are beautiful flowers. Big steps. Want me to put her in my thing, babe? Yeah. No, we're gonna be standing up there.
So we stand on a
Just water away.
walk fin on a handstand. You know that? Can I stand up there?
Of course you can.
You just gotta get there.
I'm gonna need some paste. I'm gonna need some paste when I stand up there.
We made it.
Yeah. A bee. Come here.
That's good enough for you.
Hold my hand. Hold my hand.
Well, there's the beach.
Rainbow.
Nice.
This is so hard to be seen down. Rainbow. A rainbow.
Is that yummy?
Yeah, lots of people have
Yeah.
wrote on these pieces of wood.
You chew your
I
food
think
first.
I have in the right before.
You chew your food.
We don't, yeah, we don't have anything. Right. But you know, Hazel, we're gonna have pictures and stuff, so we still know you were here.
If you listen carefully, what do you hear? Other than the rustling of your sister's bag.
Your birds and stuff. I think stairs. Like good? Maybe some people might be too scared to go to the top. Or they may run out of energy because they're older.
Anna's trying to look.
Ready to big jump again?
This is a bridge.
Going a different way. However, we get to that,
I think it was actually over here.
that beach path. Well, no, you can't get down through there.
You have to like slip underneath.
I don't know yet. We'll look around and see. So you gotta go first. We'll probably go through. Huh?
Make sure you follow marked paths when you go on trails. I don't know how mommy's getting over.
You'll be fine. Just do the same thing I did. Mommy in action. Super mommy. Her feet are her legs are a little shorter though. We didn't consider that part.
That's yours. Made it.
Okay, let me go first. You follow behind me. Where?
Thank you for not freaking out, Hazel. That was amazing.
Okay, you're gonna take my hand.
Whoa.
And it's good recovery. But you're gonna stay like behind me, okay? You're just gonna like push these little trees out of the way when I get in your face. Okay? You good? Now you're leading the way, so we'll be alright. Keep your head up, look out for the trees.
I think this is why people have a designated cameraman. Sorry, Hannah.
Alright, Hazel, if I'm like moving over to the trees. Okay. You could actually probably go for it now, but make sure you plant your feet every time. You put your
Make it a sandy underwear that way.
sandy butt.
Mommy used to, as a kid, love going to the top of the sand dunes and running all the way down until you're tumbling face first.
Are you gonna stand up and go? You're gonna need to stand all in your stuff here. Big man.
It feels nice, the sand on your feet. This is some nice sand. Yeah, that tree's growing in the sand. That's crazy. Careful, watch the stick. Now, go with your heels. With the back of your foot. Like you're, I was gonna say, like,
You're walking downstairs.
oh, that's pretty good.
This is one of my favorite parts. When you go off.
I was a little unsure at the top. That was amazing, Hazel. You're gonna be adventuring in no time. Is this all shells? This is all shells. Hazel, all of this is shells.
You gonna show where we just came from? Or?
Yeah. Hazel, look on the thing. Oh, geez. Looks a lot more daunting. Look at all these shells, Hazel. I'd lean down and get them, but I can't.
Wow.
Look at them, Hazel. Look. They sound so pretty. You got me something. Yeah, these ones are really fine. Bless you, honey. Anyways, we gotta go down and to the left.
Yeah, a lot.
The fossils. Look, here's a full one. That's pretty. There's lots of full ones here. But you have to be very gentle with them so you don't squish them. That's a nice one.
They're too hard to
Should we put them in the bag?
Yes.
I'll hold them for you. Keep them safe. It's a good idea.
Oh, a big rock.
Maybe leave the big rock.
You got this one. Look, seashell.
Holy, they're just everywhere.
Can you put them in water?
Sure. What are these from? I wonder if they're gonna just break my shoes. Great. Sorry, we gotta go get them. You be careful, because you don't want to really fall on those shells. Are you happy that we kept going and didn't turn around? Me too. Do you know what a fossil is? A fossil is an imprint of a very old living thing. So either an animal or a plant. And it's an imprint made normally on rock from hundreds of years ago, sometimes thousands, sometimes millions. If that's not the exact definition of fossils, I'll put the definition right here. No, leave your shoes on. But I'm not like a paleontologist. Is that a dinosaur person? I'm gonna put the correct term for someone who studies fossils here. A geologist? Something like that. I think the majority of the fossils you'll find are plant fossils. Yeah, you're gonna have to ask Daddy. Hannah's so brave. Yeah, go for it. What is that? What is it? No, you don't know? You can sit and touch it. That's fine. Mommy will sit. Yeah, sit on your bum.
Get off the seashells now so you don't get that is might as well be the grass or the water, baby.
We're having an emergency shoe washing situation.
That's the best I can do for you.
I have a surprise visitor on my back.
What is it?
My surprise visitor.
I'm a llama.
She loves it because she doesn't have to hold on. This carrier is rated for up to 40 pounds? It's either 35 or 40 pounds this is rated for. And Hazel is 34 pounds. So, I think I went the wrong way. Alright, we gotta get over here. So many shells.
Now I don't have any stuff in my shoe.
That's good. Now hopefully your feet dry. Super Dad over here has Hannah.
And you're a woman.
I am a woman, you're right. It's a good observation.
That is a studio, you're a woman.
A superwoman?
Yeah.
Are you happy we came, Hazel?
Yeah.
Are you happy we didn't turn back when you said turn back?
No.
You wanted to turn there?
Yeah.
But then you would have never made it down to the water to put your feet in.
Yeah.
And you would have never found shells.
Can you find the shells?
I had no idea. That was all
Mom,
made
you
of
said
shells.
big quick walk.
Oh, yeah.
Can you step on it? Whoa. We were on top of a world.
On top of the whole world?
Mom, we got weight walk without weight feet.
That's nice.
Did you find it?
No, this is what happens to trees when lots of water hits them over and over again. It becomes driftwood.
I never seen that before.
It's pretty cool, huh?
I never saw that before. Yeah, fish Bobby.
We're not gonna stay in this spot for too long. I just wanted to come out here and walk on it while we're here.
Why can I hear a puddle? Mark it, yeah. Yeah.
It's not that funny, is it?
Yes, yes.
Yes, yes, yes.
Belly drum, belly drum, belly drum.
Appreciate it. Think I can make it?
Oh yeah, you can.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
What if I can't make it?
Well, you can. Yeah, we went to his looking. I'll tell you walk over there and do a big jump.
Maybe.
Because there was a bridge. There's a
Oh
bridge.
yeah, there is a bridge. I don't know if I trust that bridge.
Why, Mom?
I don't know, it doesn't look very stable. Woo!
Where's Father?
Yeah, I don't know about that, Hazel.
Hey, what's my face to have?
Well, with Hazel on my back.
Are you going?
With Hannah? What if it's not sturdy? Doesn't feel very sturdy.
You want this though?
So we should go?
Yeah. Because it didn't break.
Snaps. Don't think about too much. Just disperse your weight and you're good.
Made it.
What is that?
We'll have to swim.
It's pretty cool though, so maybe a little bridge.
We have to swim.
That's pretty cool.
Well, we have to swim.
I'm just joking.
Oh.
I'm just
I
joking.
feel like I'm looking at a video game.
There's another way to go up the dunes.
Walking across cool bridges like that.
All the seagulls found their little rocks peeking out. There's a tree growing over there. I wonder if the tide gets lower. What do you think?
Dada.
I don't know. Where's Daddy? Where's Sister? Do you see them?
Sissy.
We lost a shoe.
It's just a little muck. Oh. Show me your foot. Show me. Show me. What are you crying for?
Smiling. Repeat in 50 steps. I was in the cuddle zone now. Hazel? If you're wondering as we're on our hike what these little smiley faces are on the kids, those are the buzz patches. They're supposed to be, I think they're like citronella patches or something, and they're supposed to stop the mosquitoes from coming to the kids without using chemicals. So there's a ton of mosquitoes out right now. There wasn't when we started this, and I don't think anyone has any bites yet. Josh and I are using off Deep Woods DEET, but we don't put that stuff on the kids. So I thought we'd try these. I have a bunch of different natural sprays. So Hannah had a wipeout, but she's feeling better. And I think we're almost at the end.
We're getting pretty close.
Can I tell you a secret, babe?
Huh?
How long this trail is? What's your guess?
Like what we walked or how the whole thing?
Well, we walked to the point and back.
2 kilometers?
It's 2.7 kilometers.
I would have guessed that.
Do you think I went a little too advantageous?
It was easy.
Oh, okay.
Easy peasy. I could do that at that time.
Well, I mean, with the kids.
Taking a week off.
There's the honest truth. You putting that in your choo-choo? I don't think so. Did you find a bug? No, you didn't? I saw one. Look. Look, bug. All right, we're coming. Oh no. Hannah, yeah. I think that's a little too big for you, honey. Too big for you. With Hannah. Oh, Hannah's going. Yay! Okay.
You have to hit the bottom of it, gotta like.
No.
Just gonna let her see you.
I'll be at the bottom.
This is waiting for you. Legs up. Ooh. You hit the bottom?
Yeah.